I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you were trying to find your payment history on PhonePe, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment details. Step 2. Navigate to My Accounts. Once you are on the home screen, look for the My Account option, usually found at the bottom right corner of the app. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the My Account section, you will see various options. Tap on Transaction History to view all your past payments and transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter your transaction history by date or type of transaction. This helps you find specific payments quickly. Just tap on the filter icon at the top right. Step 5. Review your payment details. Once you've found the transaction, tap on it to see detailed information such as the date, amount, and recipient. This can help you keep track of your spending. Sometimes the app might take a moment to load your history, so be patient if it doesn't appear immediately. I hope this guide helps you easily check your payment history on PhonePe.